Hey there, my book-loving friends. Welcome back to Dabistan, where we dive into the world of literature and embark on adventures through the written word. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a review of a truly inspiring book, The Last Lecture, by Randy Pausch. The Last Lecture takes us on a profound journey into the thoughts and wisdom of a remarkable man who faced the ultimate challenge, a terminal cancer diagnosis. Randy Pausch, a computer scientist and professor, delivers his last lecture to share life lessons that will leave a lasting impact on you. What's in it for you, you might ask? Well, my friends, join me as we explore the key ideas from this incredible book that reveal the essence of living a good life and making your dreams come true. Key Idea 1. Randy used his last lecture to reflect on living a good life. Our journey begins with Randy, who, faced with a dire diagnosis, chooses to deliver his last lecture, a tradition in academia where professors share their parting wisdom. But for Randy, this wasn't just a farewell speech, it was an opportunity to reflect on what truly makes life worth living. He takes us through his life's accomplishments and dreams, reminding us that it's never too late to chase our childhood aspirations. Randy's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of embracing every moment. Key Idea 2. Randy never gave up on his dreams, so many of them came true. As we continue our exploration, we learn that Randy's childhood dreams were as ambitious as they were diverse. From floating in zero gravity to working with Disney Imagineering, he proved that dreams, no matter how far-fetched, can come true. And when it seemed like some dreams might remain out of reach, fate had its way of surprising him. Meeting William Shatner himself? Now that's a dream come true. Randy's story inspires us to persevere and believe that our own dreams are within reach if we continue to chase them with determination. Key Idea 3. Looking back, Randy picked up bits of wisdom from life's ups and downs. Life isn't always smooth sailing. Even on the most beautiful days, there can be unexpected challenges, as Randy learned during his wedding day by the hot balloon crash. Yet, even in the face of terminal illness, Randy found wisdom in the way his doctor framed his diagnosis. It's not about how long you have, but how well you live your remaining time. Randy's experiences show us that every challenge, every joyful moment, teaches us valuable lessons about living well. Key Idea 4. Randy found real satisfaction in helping others achieve their dreams. Randy's journey wasn't just about his dreams. He found true satisfaction in helping others achieve their aspirations, particularly through his course, Building Virtual Worlds. By providing tough love, honest feedback, and unconditional support, Randy helped his students bring their dreams to life. His story is a reminder that supporting others in their journey can be equally rewarding as pursuing our own dreams. Key Idea 5. Sometimes the simplest advice is also the most valuable. In Randy's virtual reality classes, he handed his students a sheet with simple tips for successful group work. While it might seem basic, these tips often lead to the most significant achievements. Life offers us simple yet powerful advice, like working hard, addressing the root of problems, and not being afraid to fail. Sometimes, the most cliched guidance can make all the difference. Randy's story underscores the value of these timeless principles in achieving our dreams and facing life's challenges. Key Idea 6. Randy's final thoughts are about his children and their future. As we approach the end of our journey, we witness Randy's deepest concern, the future of his 3 young children. He strives to create unforgettable memories that they will carry with them throughout their lives. Randy's final thoughts aren't about himself, they are dedicated to his children, leaving them with words of wisdom and a legacy to follow their own dreams. This part of his story teaches us the importance of cherishing moments with loved ones and ensuring they are prepared for a bright future. Conclusion. And there you have it, my dear book enthusiasts, the essence of The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch. This book teaches us that life is a journey filled with dreams, challenges, and wisdom. Remember, it's never too late to chase your dreams and make the most of every moment. If you haven't read The Last Lecture yet, I highly recommend it. It's a heartfelt reminder of what truly matters in life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this review. I'll be back with more book adventures in the next episode of Dabistan. Until then, keep reading and pursuing your dreams.